Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies using your air fryer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt ready. This simple list will get us started on our sweet treat. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add the all-purpose flour and baking powder, mixing until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, just combine until smooth. With your dough ready, it's time to prepare the cookies for the air fryer. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Carefully place the cut cookies into your air fryer basket, ensuring there's a little space between each one for even cooking. Don't overcrowd the basket. Now for the magic. Air fry your cookies at 325 degrees F for 6 to 8 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so keep an eye on them until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, carefully remove them and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before you start decorating. Then, unleash your creativity with frosting and sprinkles for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.